Good evening. My name is K. Nagavardhan. I'm studying in class 10 Kendriya Vidyalaya Guntur Shift 2. The title of my project is Smoke Absorber Machine. My sub theme is eco-friendly. I consciously developed an idea of creating working model of smoke absorber machine as to filter the air indoors to remove fumes and airborne particles produced out of burnt fuel. Materials used for construction are cardboard, chart paper, batteries, fan, wire, motor, filter paper and switches. Now I will tell you how it works. Suction fan of the machine sucks contaminated air into the machine and throws out through the filtered outlet. By this process it removes solder fumes, harmful odors and other airborne particles that could have adverse effect on health. Construction. I took a cardboard and built a small box out of it and covered with colored chart paper, leaving two circular holes for positioning suction and outlet fans. Further, I took two fans and connected with motors and power sources. In order to accommodate these motors, I have made a small slot in the box and fitted it. For purification of contaminated air, a filter paper was positioned inside. A switch was positioned for opening suction fan and another switch was connected to motor for turning on and off the machine. This is how it works.